All right, let's do some more examples working with simple interest. This first example is a very easy one. We can take this 3.5 years, times it by 12 to get 42 months. And we want to work with months because it's per month, PM. And then we can just plug it into our formula. S equals P times 1 plus our interest rate, don't forget to turn it into a decimal, times the amount of months, which is 42. And then we can just calculate it out to 16,536 for our answer. Now we have a little bit more complicated of an example. Here we have dates involved. Now September 4th, if you look that up in your dates table, this corresponds to day 247. April 26th, if you look this up, is day 116. So now we also have to figure out the years. So we have 2019 would have 365 days, but we're already 247 days in, so we get 118. Then we look at 2020. This was a leap year, so this is actually 366 days. 2021 has 365 days. In 2022, well, as we showed, we're 116 days in. We add these up, so we have 1,083 days total for our loan. From there, we can calculate S equals 6,000, 1 plus 0.084 times our 1,083 over 365. Again, it's 1,083 days over 365 days per year times 0.084 because that is a per annum interest rate. Calculate this out and round. We get 7,495.43. Remember, round to the nearest hundredth or the nearest cent. Here we have an example where we don't know the interest rate. Now, the interest rate is per month, so we need to take the 3 years, times it by 12 to get 36 months. Plug these into your formula. 3,600 equals 2,000. 1 plus R times 36, and calculate R. Now, there are a couple different ways you could do this. You could do it in a couple of steps using 2 different formulas, or you can do it the way I'm showing you. As long as you're getting the right answer and understand what you're doing, I'm okay with it. So here, I'm going to multiply out the equations. 2,000 times 36 will give me 72,000 R. I can subtract the 2,000. And then I divide by the 72,000. So we get R equals 0.0222 repeated, which means we would have a 2.22% interest rate per month. One last example. This time we have our interest rate, but we don't have the amount of time involved. So here, again, plug things into your formula. Multiply things out. And the 13.5 comes from 1,800 times the 0.0075. Now we subtract the 1,800 over. Divide by 13.5, we get T equals 51.852. Round this up, the answer would be 52 months. Now, I'd prefer to see the 52 months, but I will also accept an answer of 4 years and 4 months.